In today's video, I will show you how to fix TikTok messages not sending. First of all, after you open up your TikTok like this, all you have to do now, if you want to send a message to someone and the message is showing you not sending, first of all, after you open your phone now, tap on this profile at the bottom right side on your TikTok. So after you come to your profile like this, all you have to do now, tap on this section where it says menu at the top right side. Now scroll to down and tap on this settings and privacy. Under settings and privacy, now all you have to do now, scroll to down and tap on this privacy, the second option. Under this privacy, now scroll to down and tap on this section where it says direct messages. This one, just open this section where it says direct messages, tap on it. So after you open this direct messages, all you have to do now, select this first option where it says, as you can see now, direct messages. Select the first option again. So make sure you choose this first option which says everyone. As you can see now, make sure you choose this everyone. So now after you choose this everyone, now go back, tap on this back arrow to go back again. So after you come back, as you can see now, here is it. Now go and search for the person that you want to send him a direct message. As you can see now, let's say I want to send a direct message to this person. Let's say this one. So open up the person profile. Here is the person now. If you want to send him a direct messages, all you have to do now, tap on this message section. After you tap on this message section, as you can see now, you can go ahead and type in the message to the person. So let's say I want to just type like hello for him. Hello boss. Like, so as you can see now, guy. You can send up to 3 messages. If you send more than 3 messages, the message will not send. As you can see now, if I send now, as you can see now, I send 1, 2, 3 messages. So if I send now the fourth message, it will say that the message is not sending again. Like this, as you can see now, it says message not sent. Here is it. As you can see now, it says message not sent. So the problem with it is because the person doesn't follow you, you are not friend with the person. As you can see now, above, TikTok gives you a term and condition. As you can see here, it says you can send up to 3 messages until this user accept your message request. So if you send a message to the person, if the person now open the message and he accept the request for these messages, then the fourth message will be sent to him and he can be able to see. You can only send more messages to the person that you are following him and he is following you. As you can see now, this person, I'm not following him and he is not following me. If the person I'm following him as he follow me, means we are friends. So that's it, guys. You can just wait for the person to accept your message because before you stop seeing this problem. That's it, guys. Hope this video helps you out. Don't forget to like and subscribe. Thank you for watching, guys.